Greetings viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be going over the new Icon Professional Stubby Ratcheting Wrench set. This is the metric set, part number WRSTM-10. This is a 10 to 19 millimeter with no skips. These are reversible stubbies with a selector switch. You don't have to flip them over, and they are offset. Lifetime warranty on them like every other Icon tool thus far to be released. And with that said, let's go ahead and get into this. This is going to be, like I said in the previous video on sockets, this is going to be a general overview of the wrenches and an unboxing. This is not going to be a full review because I have not used them yet. I just bought them today, Sunday, and this is one of the first Icon tool sets to make it to my local Harbor Freight. I'm actually going to call around to the Harbor Freights in the area tomorrow to see if they have any of the other Icon tools in yet. I'm going to try to get the 3/8 ratchet, and I'm going to try to get all of the metric deep and shallow sockets and a quarter drive ratchet, and might try to get the combination wrenches and combo long handle ratcheting wrenches. Leave in the comments below anything you would like me to get to review in later videos. Like I said, my reviews, I'm not going to come out of the box and tell you what I think of them. I'm going to put them in the toolbox, take out the equipment I already have, use them for a week, 2 weeks, see how they hold up, see how they perform. Then I will come back and let you know in the real world situation, working every day in an auto repair shop, how they come out and how they work. So with that said, let's go ahead and crack the box open and check out these wrenches. Now, being that these are stubby ratcheting wrenches, this is a specialty wrench. This isn't something you're going to use every day. I already have a set of non-ratcheting stubby wrenches, and I'd been looking for a set of ratcheting stubby wrenches, so with the new Icon stubby ratchets coming out, I figured this would be a good time to buy them and try them out. They did have the non-ratcheting stubbies in my store, but like I said, I've got a snap-on set, 10 to 19 of non-ratcheting stubbies, so I did not see the point in purchasing the Icon version. The non-ratcheting, I've made a mess. The non-ratcheting Icon stubby wrenches were, I believe, $39.99 or $49.99. This ratcheting set was $119.99, so 120 bucks, a little spendy for something from Harbor Freight. But as you see, it comes in this nice blow molded plastic case, great to put down in your toolbox drawer. Everything's here accounted for. Love having cases, love organization. If at the end of the day, you can just quickly look down and say, hey, I'm missing my 17 mil, run around, grab it, put it back in spot. You know where all your tools are. You know you haven't lost anything. So, with that said, we're gonna take a look at these. Probably gonna put the macro lens back on and get an in-depth, up-close look at them. Very fine tooth count on these. Nice action for the reversing on it, actually. Let me check the box real quick, see if there's any specs on the box about how many teeth are in the ratchets. Let's see what we got going on here. So from the back of the box, quick little rundown for you. These are 72 tooth reversible ratcheting mechanisms in these wrenches. We've got bullet point, tough, durable, polished chrome finish, prevents corrosion and grease buildup. Okay, nearly every tool is chrome plated at this point. Well, professional tools say. A lot of the Pittsburgh stuff is not chrome plated. It's just got another kind of either paint or other coating on it. 12-point boxed in, precision machined open end. 15-degree offset. Not a flat like a gear wrench where you have to flip them over and they are zero offset for the ratcheting. You put it on this way to go off, flip it over and go that way to go on. Lengths of the wrenches. The 10 mil here is 3 3/4 inches from end to end, and that goes in size all the way up to the 19, which is 5.5 inches end to end. So now that our specs are out of the way, let's put the macro lens on and get an up-close look at these wrenches. All right, so let's take a closer look at these Icon Stubby ratchet wrenches. Got some nice texture on the reversing switch. Makes it a little bit easier to grab when your fingers are greasy to switch back and forth. Seeing as how the drive is moving, as you can see when I switch, I assume we've got a single pawl in here. And due to the size, I would have to also say it's a single pawl. There's not enough room to have a dual pawl mechanism, and as far as I know, the only people that have a dual pawl mechanism ratchet wrench are Snap-on at this point, which they are excellent. I do have the set, and I love them. So again, that 72 tooth design, got a very small turn between engaging teeth. Other than that, chrome finish looks very nice on here. Like I said, as far as how they perform, cannot speak on that yet. It'd be only speculation. So that said, that's our real quick look, and that's the 19. Let's take a look at the 15 and the 10 before we end out this video. A little short video here on these wrenches. There's our part number. Mechanism's nice and smooth, but of course I would hope it would be, being a brand new wrench. See how smooth it stays with some use. And our little itty bitty 10 mil. All right, viewers, that concludes the unboxing and first look at these ratcheting Stubby metric wrenches. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.